Okay, so I'm going to show you how the saver cell switch is configured and how it's set up. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a video so that I can show you what to do on the cell switch itself. So I'll record it here as well just to be safe. So here's the saver cell switch. First of all, you just power it on, or take it out of its packaging, and then you just wire up the 12 volts as it's shown over here. Make sure to get the positive and the negative correct and connect it up. Once powered up, you'll see that there's two buttons over here. There's a config button and there's a mode switch. Okay, so the first thing to do is to hold the config button in until it starts flashing. So I'll just hold that. So you just wait till it starts flashing faster. Okay, there we go. So now it starts flashing like that. Now I'm going to take you off the video and I'm going to go to EWLink. You need to install EWLink from Play Store, and then I'm going to add a device and choose quick pairing, and I'll just hold on a second. Okay, so now you choose your Wi-Fi connection that you want to use and you type in your password. And you say next. This is the username and password that you're giving to the EWLink device. And then you just wait for it to connect to the EWLink device, which it will do via Wi-Fi. And once it's connected, it will load the configurations. Okay, so there it's found the device. Now you can change the name. Demo unit. Tick that and say done. Okay, now you just wait for it to reload. And it should be up and running. Just while we're here, if it shows you that there's new firmware available, please make sure to update it. And the way to do that, okay, it's just busy restarting, so I'll just give it a chance to come back on again. So the way to update it is you go here, and if you look here, it shows you the current version in this case is 1.6.2, and the updated version is 3.4.1. So my suggestion is to always update it to the latest. So we'll just click update and confirm. And now it's busy updating. It will show you the progress. And just let it do its thing if it turns off or turns on. I can hear it clicking here, so it's obviously busy doing something. I'll just give it a chance. Okay, and there it is back online already. And you can hear it going click. I'll do the same thing as I'm doing now, but I'll show you on the device itself, just to give you a rundown on the device itself quickly. So I'm going to go back to the camera. Okay, so what happens is when you look at these buttons over here, what happens is if you push this config button once, okay, every time you push the button, it'll do the sequence that it's designed to do, the same as it would do if you push it from your screen. So because I'm doing this video, I can't do it from the screen, so what I'm going to do is just show you by pushing the button. So if I push the button, it's in a mode at the moment that it's either on or it's off. So when you push it or you put your timer to turn it on or turn it off, it'll just turn it on or turn it off. If you change this mode button and you turn that off like that, what happens now is that it'll go on and then it'll automatically go off after a determined set number of seconds. If you read the instructions over here, it'll explain to you how to change those settings. So you've got 3 seconds, 6 seconds, or 9 seconds. You just have to press the mode switch together with the config switch at the same time to change those 1, 2, or 3, which is those 3 little lights in the middle. You see over there in the middle, you've got the light to the right hand side. So there's 3 lights there to show whether it's on 3, 6, or 9 second delay. So what happens now, it's on the auto change or whatever, the trigger mode, so it'll automatically trigger off. If I change this mode again, now it'll be on off mode. So if I put it on, it stays on, and if I push it again, it'll go off. And that's basically it.